Hello everybody, and welcome to my 84th VBA 2010 tutorial. This tutorial is going to show you how to use the order by keywords in SQL in order to put a filter on your particular field to make it ordered. So at the moment it'll just bring it through normally in the order they are in the database, but it could be in pretty much any order, to be honest. What we want to do is just put a little bit of control around it. So I'm going to use the order by. I'm going to put it on a new line. So let's just put a space in there and underscore. And if you don't know what the underscore does, it just lets you carry on the same string but on a different line. And then we're going to put in order by, and then we're going to put in the field that we want to order by. So I want to order by sale date. So sale underscore date. And then we just need to put in another little ASC here, which stands for ascending. If you want to do descending, it's DEC, which I'll show you, DESC, which I'll show you in a minute. But at the moment we're going to use ascending to make it go from the earliest date to the latest date. So if we press play now, and we come and look in our code, in our spreadsheet, you'll see that it's put them in the order of earliest date in 2013, and then select few dates in 2014, all in order. For those that are the same date, we can actually specify another field to kind of be a secondary filter. So if we want these to be in alphabetical order rather than Collins and then Bruce, then we just need to put a comma after our ascending and then put in our customer underscore ID and put that as ascending as well. And then when we press play and we look in our worksheet, it's going to put Bruce first and then Collins, but then the other ones are going to be in the order of the date. If you want to do descending, so let's say we want to do the item value descending, so we can see which one of our items' sales has the highest value, so underscore value, and then we just put in the descending keyword and press play. And then it's going to order them with the item value being at the top. Similarly, we could put any combination we want. So we can put comma, sale date ascending, comma, customer ID descending, however you want to do it. Pretty simple. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. And that's going to be it for order by. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the top keyword to filter it by, say, the top 1 or top 10 records of with a certain data type. So thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you in the next tutorial.